Tim has a set of figures as shown below. Which of these figures could be classified as polygons? Polygons is one of those vocab words that a lot of you struggled with because we had so many words that started with a P. There was parallel and perpendicular and parallelogram, so many things. Polygon, poly means many, like M-A-N-Y, like there's lots of them. And of course, gons has to do with it being a shape. And so this is a many-sided shape. Okay, it can have any number of sides, but they have to actually be sides, which means they have to be straight. A polygon has to have straight sides. It also has to be closed and two-dimensional, but they don't usually test us on that one. It's those straight sides that they like to test us on. So if we take each figure one at a time, and figure A definitely has some curves, and so it is not a polygon. B also has a curve, and so it is not a polygon. C, all those sides are nice and straight. It is closed, and it's two-dimensional, and so C would be a polygon. D has straight sides, is closed, and two-dimensional. D would be a polygon. And E, we've got straight sides, closed, and 2D. And so correct answer is figures C, D, and E.